In this video, I want to show you how to solve the problem of table of contents and properties not showing in Golden Sofa software. So let's open the software. In Golden Sofa software, let's bring in a data to demonstrate what I want to show you. So let me click on 3D service and let me load in this digital elevation model. I'll click on open. Yes, here is my data, and here is the table of content. In a situation where you mistakenly close your table of content or it's not showing at all, just like this. If your table of content is not showing or you mistakenly close it, so how do you restore it? To restore it, come to view, and here is table of contents. Check it. Check this content, and you can see that the content has been restored here. Similarly, if you click on your data, you are supposed to see the properties table here. If the property tables is not showing, it means you have closed it or uncheck it. So to restore the properties table, come back to view, and here you can see properties. Check it. Once I check it, you can see the properties of this very data, and from here you can edit the property. For example, I can change the color. When I change the color, you can see it here. So from the properties table, you can edit some of the properties of your data. So if the properties is closed, just like this, it means you have to come back to view and then make sure you check properties. Check it, and the properties table will be restored. So guys, this is how to restore table of contents and properties table in Golden Sofa software. Thank you for watching.